Hey everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fastlane Classic Cars in St. Charles, Missouri. The inside edition today because, as you can see, it's a little snowy and gloomy outside. But I am going to do a quick walk around on this awesome 1972 Chevy Nova, and I will start it up and do a walk around with it running too. I'm going to pull it just outside here. Our parking lot is not salted, just snow, so it's safe here, but I can't really take it out onto the street because there is salt everywhere. And I don't want to get this beautiful black Nova dirty, but once it clears up, maybe we'll take it back out for a drive. But for now, just a little walk around. So to start, we have a freshly built 454 cubic inch V8 with headers and full Flowmaster exhaust. Really nice. You can kind of see the headers down there. Nice HEI ignition behind it. Really clean looking engine bay. This has Edelbrock aluminum heads, Brodix aluminum intake. It has a 4-speed manual transmission behind it and a 12-bolt rear end with 308 gears behind that. Obviously, you have black exterior with the white Yenko details, not details, I guess. You got the Yenko stripe there on the side. Awesome Krager wheels with the BF Goodrich radial TA tires. This one has black vinyl interior with a floor shifter, AM/FM radio, power front disc brakes, and power steering. The 15-inch Kragers are new. They're Krager SS wheels. 215 60R15 front tires and 255 60R15 in the rear. So this is a really beautiful Yenko clone with big block power, of course. There's the power brake booster there. Awesome chrome valve covers. Chrome accessories. Even the alternator is polished, it looks like. Nice shroud over the radiator, a big aluminum radiator it looks like too, with an electric fan. Even the bottom of the hood painted really nicely. All the bright work on the front of the nose, very nice. Big chrome bumpers, of course. I like the headlights as well, look like halo headlights. Black paint is in really good condition. Another reason why I don't want to drive it today, obviously. Got the Yenko stripe. Doors open nice. Here's that black vinyl interior. We'll get a better look at that outside. And you got your floor shifter down there with some extra auxiliary gauges and the factory gauge cluster up here showing 44,800 miles. Doors close nice. Awesome rear bumper too. There's Yenko SC there on the tail, and then you have the Yenko badge and the 427 badge back here. I know it says 427. This is a 454. Very nice. All right, so I'm gonna pop this door open, pull it outside real quick, and then we'll do another quick walk around. Close the hood here. You can get a good look at this Yenko stripe on the hood too. I almost forgot. Really nice. We'll pop on inside. Oh yeah, I left the key in there. I was looking through my pockets. I was getting worried. Also, door sills. Very nice chrome piece. Still got the body by Fisher there. Seats are really nice. Ooh. This one again is a 4-speed. I'm gonna make sure it's in neutral and grab the key here so I can unlock the steering wheel. Much better. Looks like we have an upgraded radio down here too. AM/FM radio. It's got aux, it looks like, from the button there. Closer look at that. You got your ultralight autometer RPM gauge, and then your Pro Comp ultralight autometer gauges here for oil pressure, water temp, and voltage. Got your 4-speed, obviously. Very nice. See if we can get this thing to go. Fired right up. Very nice. RPM gauge working. And we got good oil pressure down here. Water temp is cold because I have not started it today. That's the first crank this car has had in a couple days. And good voltage, so all good. I also got cup holders in here and an extra big one just in case. it is a big block, and it is 20 degrees outside, so it is a little cold natured, but we had it inside where it's about 60. Seems to be idling all right on its own already. Very nice. It'll pop out. There's those beautiful vinyl seats there. And dashboard, also in great condition. I mean, listen to the idle. Runs quiet and smooth from the front too. I like the little chin spoiler it's got. It's a nice touch, makes it look a little aggressive. Chrome mirrors are super nice. Black paint is just pristine everywhere. You pull these headlights out. We'll take a look at them. Headlights are working. Blinkers flashing. It's hard to tell on camera. Side markers easier to see. There's that. Blinker on the back, very nice. And on the dashboard there, you can see it blinking. Flip it the other way, other side's blinking. Rear blinker's working. Super straight body. Can't hide that with black paint. Side marker blinker on. Very nice. Sounds good, looks good. I don't know what else you want from a 72 Nova. Big block, manual, black paint, Yenko tribute. Chrome is awesome, looks really, really good. Right now we're asking $51,995. You can either call us about it if you want more information at 636-940-9969. You can go to the website directly, look at all the pictures. We got exterior, interior, engine bay, and undercarriage photos of this thing. That's www.fastlanecars.com. Or if you want to email us, you can email sales@fastlanecars.com. This is it for this one. Again, can't really drive it. The roads are still a mess here. Not all of them aren't even plowed yet. And yeah, I don't want to get this thing filthy. So once it clears up, maybe we'll take this back out. But for now, thank you for watching. Again, if you're interested, please contact us, and we'll see you in the next one.